That's the car's super. Why is everybody's cars through here like really loud? Nobody in this town owns a muffler. Need a hand? Wah wah. That was bad. Sometimes I make things, sometimes I make bad puns, and sometimes I make a thing that is a bad pun. Xyla from Beauty and the Bold came across an abundance of butternut logs that she got from a guy that used to carve ducks. So mine was a little different because I was actually going to get mine from her in person, but due to conflicting schedules, I wasn't able to get there in time. But luckily for me, I have a hero, and that hero's name is Marielle. So she actually gave me a piece of her butternut so that I could make something. So in the spirit of her giving me a hand, I made a hand. That is so bad. Oh man, it's painful. I'm sorry. I'll let myself out. Just watch how I did it. That was an abrupt ending, wasn't it? Yes, that's probably the weirdest way I've ever ended a clip. But that being said, the reason is because normally I let that music keep playing and to show you some really cool glamour shots of the thing I made, like its function, so on and so forth. But since it's kind of an odd project and, you know, function, I thought I'd show you just that. This is what I've been doing with my butternut hand since I made it. Because I'm a weirdo. I do not know what's wrong with me. Thank you for watching. Now, I am looking for some funny ideas of things I can do with this butternut hand, because I'm thinking about making a little montage of just ridiculous to put on my Instagram or something. I don't know. But I want to see what your guys' ideas are, because you guys are funny. You're funny. I'm done. I'll fire myself.